Sean O'Farrell, tell me why you hurry so. Hush a bogle, hush and listen, and his cheeks were all aglow. I bear orders from the captain, get you ready quick and soon. For the pikes must be together at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon. For the pikes must be together at the rising of the moon. Oh, come tell me, Sean O'Farrell, where the gathering is to be. In the old spot by the river, right well known to you and me. One word more for signal token, whistle up the marching tune, with your pike upon your shoulder at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, with your pike upon your shoulder at the rising of the moon. Out of many's the mud-walled cabin, eyes were watching through the night. Many's the manly heart was throbbing for the coming morning light. Murmurs passed along the valley like the banshee's lonely croon, and the thousand blades were flashing at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, and the thousand blades were flashing at the rising of the moon. There beside the singing river, that dark mass of men was seen. High above the shining weapons hung their own beloved green. Death to every foe and traitor, forward strike the marching tune. And her army boys for freedom, 'tis the rising of the moon, 'tis the rising of the moon, 'tis the rising of the moon. And her army boys for freedom, 'tis the right